Alright guys, Honey Jefe here. I'm finishing up here, treating Norroa. I just want to pop this top. This doesn't look good. I didn't do this. These are the hives I picked up off the ground. These last 4 or 5. I don't think this is a good sign right here. When I picked them up, there was a lot of bee activity in there still. This looks like it's probably just a dead out now. I just treated them for Varroa. You see that? So I'm gonna take that up. I don't know. We'll see. Let me look. Maybe not. I'll leave it. I should consolidate them down to one box. I'm gonna leave it. I don't know if there's any queen in there, but well, hold on. Let me look in this one too. I'll just pop this top. That looks good. All right. Sorry if y'all couldn't see that, but it looks all right. So, in 3 minutes or less, these last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hives got a fresh treatment with Norroa. They all got 2 quarts. I had enough to make, I mean, it's barely enough to get them going, to get them fed with this treatment. 2 liters, 4 bags for treatment, 500 milliliters. That's 2 liters, right? So there's 24 in there. So you're treating 6 hives. So I've got enough for 1 hive left over. Some of the other hives up there, I treated Saturday and Sunday. About a week ago, about 2 weeks now. Well, no, actually, it's about a little over a week. I'm forgetting what I did all this weekend. But I think once these hives finish all this up, I think it'll give them a little bit more sugar water syrup to get through some of the next cold snaps we're going to have. It's going to be getting cold here in a few days. These bees aren't very active right now, but they'll take all this up here. I'll do another recap here with my phone from my truck. I'm just kind of looking to see what we got going on here. I wanted to pop the hive. I popped that hive open. These other hives here were the 2